So here's a quick rundown on my little pond pump. Basically we got 2-inch pipe here attached to a little waterproof little pump with a cord. It's sitting in, as you can see, there are 3 T-posts. That's just a little spacer down there, that little net, and just to support it so it comes up the right height. It sits there, and these are holes I drilled. It's a pattern that seems to be working pretty well. I might need to put something else in there. This doesn't seem to want to sit up vertically like I had it originally. Let's see. Well, yeah, that's a 5-gallon bucket with 3 T-posts embedded in the bottom of the pond. Doesn't look like that's working very well. I may have to do something different here to keep it upright. Anyway, it sprays water up, does a pretty good job. There's a waterproof little cord connection somewhere in the bottom of the pond. You can see that orange right there. There's a little orange connection. Runs up to the chicken coop. But that's it. A piece of pipe there, the right height. I've had to, as you can see, elevate that up because the T-posts have sunk just a little bit in the water. But it's worked really well. These are puppy dogs running around. Trying to keep from getting too much scum in the pond this year. And this is not very deep. It's probably a total of 6 feet deep at the deepest part. But we shall see how long this puppy lasts.